What's up, guys? It's your boy Trader Eddie from downtown. Today, I'm going to share with you on how you can trade a reversal setup when price is at key levels or levels of interest. These may be support, resistance, or supply and demand. To get started, let me share with you on how I started on the journey on trading the reversal setups. When I started trading, just like any other beginner, I like the idea of reversals. As a beginner, I was told when price is at support, just buy in hope that it will rise, and sell when price is at resistance in hope that it will fall. So I was told to pay attention to some candlestick formation pattern at these levels to catch up as early move of the reversal as possible. However, I went on taking loss after loss. I had a very low winning rate to that approach. Now, some good time of studying charts have helped me to find a better approach to trade reversals, which helped me, another thing, which helped me also to grow my confidence in trading reversals and which helped me to grow as a trader in trading these reversals. Now I'm going to share with you that approach that I have discovered. Now, I'm not saying that I'm the only person who used it to trade, but of course, I have learned it and I am willing to share with some good friends of mine who are watching and listening me through this YouTube channel. Now, the first thing, you need to go to your higher time frame to identify two things. Number one, identify the market structure to see whether the market is bullish or bearish. Number two, to identify price key levels. I am on this chart. This is a 5-minute chart, but I have already identified my key level over here. You can see it on off. This is a 4-hour support broken, and now it's been retested as resistance. So I am going to look on how price is going to react at these levels to catch up as many as I can short setups. Now, how am I going to trade short setups? I'm only going to wait when price is bullish so that I can take a reversal. Why? Because already we have broken this level, this support level, and I'm convinced that the price is going to go lower down. So I want to catch up the lower move. I want to catch up the down moves. I want to catch up the bearish moves. And the only place I want to catch up these bearish moves is at the end of a bullish move. So how do I do it? Let me show you. How do I do it? Let me show you. I'm taking my trend line tool and I'm going to draw as a smooth trend line over this area right here. Over this area right here. What do you see, guys? You see price moving up, making high highs, low highs. High highs and high lows. Sorry, high highs and high lows. So we know already price is bullish at this level. But I don't want to buy. Why? Because price is retesting resistance. Why do I want to buy while price is at resistance? No. I want to see how price react to that resistance. And one thing I want to see is whether the price will be able to break some bullish trends. Okay, so number one, we have this trend line, nice moving, respected several times. There one touch here. There's another touch here. The second, there are 3 touches here. But also there's another touch over here. And we have a trend line crack or a trend line break over here. Okay, I must put this way, sorry. Because okay, of course, to draw a trend line, you need 2 points of a touch. The first low and the second low. And this is my second low. So when I draw my trend line, it will just be like this. This was a fake out move. It was a fake out move, which it broke the trend line. And some people might have sold here, but then price reverses and went up, back up. So number one, we want to see price breaking this trend line. Now, this will be the second thing. Number one, we want to see price at a key level. And on this scenario, price is at a resistance. This was support back, but it was broken and now it's retested as a resistance. Now, since it's retested as a resistance, that means price has ability to keep lowering, to keep going down. So we need to look for short setups. One, we want to look for short setup. We need to identify some big bullish setups or bullish setups. One of them is here. So we need to see these bullish setups end so that we can catch a bearish setup, okay? And where does this end? It ended right here, guys. It ended right here with this trend line crack. It ended right here with this trend line crack. Now, number two, there will always be a cause to that breakup. There will always be a force that will force that break of that channel or of the trend. Now you can see here there are four bearish candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bearish candles move consecutively down. This is not a retail. Retail cannot do this. It is an institution who are doing this. And what do we have up here? We have an order block. We have an order block, an area, or other people can call it an area of supply. Just right here, guys. And now this is what we want to see. Number one, just simple like that. We want to see a bullish move. We want to see a trend cracks, break of the trend line. But we want to see a cause, that's an order block that caused the break of a trend line. Now, number three, we want to see price reversals going back to that order block, that caused what? That caused the break of the channel, of the trend line. And that's where we are going to place our sell order. Guys, we're going to put a limit just above the wick of this candle, the wick of this first red candle after this green candle, okay? And a stop loss, I normally take 1 to 5, and I'll put my take profit 1 to 5. Although I would have aimed these levels. I would have aimed these key levels like this one, okay, where price reversed back. I would have aimed here, but I took a 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. That's my rule, okay? I have my small trading account, and that's what I do. All right, so this was a just clear and simple short setup that I found out of trend line crack and an order block retest. Not only this, there were so many of this. There were so many of this. Let me show you another one, which will be the last one, for today. All right, guys. All right, guys. Here we have, what is this? This is a nice trend line, up trend line. Price is moving, creating high lows, high lows, high lows. But all of a sudden here, we find what? Here we find price breaking up this trend, cracks the trend. And also price comes back to an order block that caused what? That caused the breakup of this trend line. So we take our short setup right here and aim for 1 to 5. But this one gave us 1 to 12 risk reward ratio. That was good risk reward ratio for the trade. So guys, that's how I trade reversal setups. That's how I trade reversal setups. If you want to learn more of these reversal setups, please go to my bio. There's a link to our Telegram group where you can join for free, where you'll be receiving analysis like this, but also free signals. And that Telegram group, the link is just down there on my bio. So just go there and join. Do yourself a favor, join that group. And that group is our Traders Academy, where you are going to receive some signals on how you can trade such setups for your benefit. But also, guys, if you find this video of great importance, you can share it with your friend. Subscribe to my channel. Click that like button So you can do me a favor as I bless you with this market strategy to kill those reversals. So please, guys, stay safe until we meet another moment. Love you, people.